Why people buy online digital course? People buy online digital courses for several reasons. Convenience. Online courses offer the convenience of learning from anywhere at any time. Learners can access course materials on their own schedule, making it easier to fit learning into their busy lives. Flexibility. Digital courses often provide flexible learning options, allowing students to progress at their own pace and revisit materials as needed. This flexibility accommodates different learning styles and preferences. Access to expertise. Online courses are often created by experts in their respective fields, providing learners with access to specialized knowledge and insights that may not be readily available through other means. Cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional in-person courses or workshops, online digital courses are often more affordable. This makes them accessible to a wider audience, including individuals who may not have the resources to attend in-person training. Variety of topics. Online platforms offer a vast array of courses covering a wide range of topics and subjects. This variety allows learners to explore new interests, develop new skills, or enhance existing knowledge in a convenient and accessible way. Interactive learning experience. Many online courses incorporate interactive elements such as videos, quizzes, assignments, and discussion forums to enhance the learning experience and promote engagement. Self-paced learning. Online courses allow learners to progress through the material at their own pace, enabling them to spend more time on challenging concepts or move quickly through familiar topics. Skill development. Digital courses provide opportunities for skill development and professional growth. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a software program, or acquiring leadership skills, online courses offer practical and actionable knowledge that can be applied in real-world contexts. Career advancement. Many individuals invest in online courses to improve their qualifications, enhance their resumes, or advance their careers. Digital courses can provide the necessary skills and credentials to pursue new opportunities or take on additional responsibilities in the workplace. Community and networking. Some online courses offer opportunities for networking and collaboration with peers and instructors. Discussion forums, group projects, and live Q&A sessions facilitate interaction and foster a sense of community among learners. Overall, people buy online digital courses because they offer a convenient, flexible, and cost-effective way to access expertise, acquire new skills, and achieve personal and professional goals.